Hey, hello, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Nice to meet you, and welcome back to another video. This is Axel, and what we're gonna be checking today is probably some of you are having issues when it comes to creating, a form with the new Wix forms and trying to change who's getting notified, right? Let's say you have another email or a business email or even your personal email, you would like to get these notifications. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look on the left column. There's gonna be an option that says customers and leads, right? We're gonna hover it and then we're gonna click on forms and submissions. And once we are here, we're gonna have all those forms that we have already created. So this is a good question, and probably I assume that this is how it works. But whenever you create a form, an automation will be created as well with it. So you're gonna click on the three dots on the right side of the dashboard, and you're gonna take a look for form notifications. You're gonna click it, and then we're gonna take, well, as soon as it loads, you're gonna be taken to notifications and automations. But in case you get on top of the site, so you need just to scroll, you're gonna find notifications and automations, and you click on edit. Okay, so yeah, the only thing you have to do here is, if it's the case, I don't know, if you happen to have this situation where this loads empty, you're gonna click on in here, and then you'll be selecting, like the specific form you would like to attach the notification and the automation. Okay, so then we're gonna click on send an email as an action, and then yeah, you're gonna leave this as is. I suggest if you would like to change it, you can just go and do, you know, the updates in here. But yeah, this one, I would say, if this is for you, right, for your business, you can edit it and design everything in the way you would like the email to look like, right? Um, just by clicking on edit, and yeah, in here you can change anything you want. So back to the send an email, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna find an option on the bottom, and this is the one that you'll be looking at. It says showing additional settings. We're gonna click it, and in here we can see what recipients are gonna be receiving these notifications. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, for example, let's say recipients, you can add it in here. Who would you like to attach? um and let's see. Okay, so you're gonna click on collaborator roles or contacts, or let's say a business email, right? What I would say is just create your collaborator role first. If you're the owner of the site, just click owner. If not, let's say if you would like to have a marketing manager, then you will need to first create your marketing manager role, or you can attach it now and add it later, right? And that's it. Just apply. So in here, it's, you can even notify, or you can even set an automation for anyone you would like that is on your site. Probably, let's say, your collaborators, your members. But yeah, you just click apply, apply, and that's it, right? If it's the case, for example, if it's the case that you are the owner of the site, but you don't want to receive this automation, right, this notification, what you're gonna do is just what I did. You just remove your role. You're gonna remove it, and you're gonna just leave those roles that should be and must be receiving these notifications. You're gonna click on, real quick. You're gonna click on apply, and apply, and publish changes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.